Bugkod din na kayo. Ano butang ari? Nai bikin sa pre.
I attend the workshop for anti-discrimination legislation. I want to say that from now on, we will eradicate discrimination, considering that we have tie up with different sectors, and I'm sure we can do it.
Thank you, first of all, thank you for coming here and supporting my journey of art. I would like to give you all a very warm welcome to the first solo exhibition of mine, Spiritual Magma. Uh, the artworks that you see talking about spiritual magma, it's that inherent positivity inside us, which we all have, longing for the happiness and peace. But in our daily schedules of life, we tend to forget about that. And so reviving that positivity and bringing it out is the message of the artwork today put here. I would just like to say that the message that these artworks are really conveying is that soft message of that life's expression. Let's celebrate it. And the proceeds of the sales from the shows today, and which is till November 14th, will also go to an NGO which is contributing towards global peace and happiness. So, welcome. Please enjoy the show. Thank you.
Can you tell me more about your IP, sir?
Our group as an IP is an independent group, and we anchored our purpose and objectives under Republic Act 8371, the Indigenous People Rights Act of 1997. And we are promoting the recovery of our ancestral domain and the justice system, as well as the customary laws and the self-governance that is giving us rights to the IPs. And the reauthorization of different national legislations, including the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights under the United Nations, and it was also ratified by the Philippine government.
Thank you, sir.
No, I love the colors. I like the symbolism. I think for me, it's also got religious relevance because we have some Hindu gods and goddesses on there as well. So I just like the fusion. I think it's been blended really well with the expression itself. I think it's really nice to see some of our history and legacy being reflected in this medium. So really like it.
Very nice. Very, very nice. For me, it's fantastic. That's all. There's not much to say, but there's a lot to see.